The animals and the plague. A terrible plague came to the forest. Many animals were sick. Many animals died. The survivors felt very weak. No one had any energy. The fox did not chase hens. The wolf did not hunt lambs. The lion called a big meeting. He spoke to everyone. The gods are angry with us. We have all done wrong. The most guilty must be sacrificed. Then the plague may end. I will confess first. I have eaten many innocent animals. I have even eaten shepherds. Now you must all confess your sins. The fox was the first to answer. Your Majesty, you are noble. Eating sheep is not a sin. Shepherds are our enemies. All the animals agreed loudly. Then the tiger confessed his deeds. Then the bear confessed his deeds. But they were both forgiven. Finally, the donkey spoke softly. I once ate grass from a priest's field. The other animals became very angry. They attacked the poor donkey, and so the weak suffered for the strong.